Hello guys, for today's video guys, mag-install tayo ng Trust Wallet guys. Kung wala pa kayong Trust Wallet, maganda to ang Trust Wallet kasi they can palitan ng So, ayun, kung wala pa kayong Trust Wallet, create new wallet. Kung meron na guys, add existing wallet guys. Take note guys, take note kapag may sinabi na i-take note yung mga secret phrase guys hanggang 1 to 12. So you need to take note guys kasi in case na mag-uninstall nyo yung Trust Wallet, so nandyan siya, naka-take note siya. So ayun, go to the create new kung wala pa, no? So check the Trust Wallet saving and ayun, continue. So ayun, yun lang ang mag-install ng Trust. Thank you.